Hello everyone, just some quick EDD updates. There has been a change to the UI Online account homepage. Also, progress finally seen in those pending payments switching over to paid, and news for those of you who have filed your taxes before mid-March waiting on that IRS refund when it comes to taxes on your unemployment benefits. First off, for those of you who have just certified, you will know by now the recent change to your UI Online homepage that looks like this. The change took effect on June 5th, which was also the start date of the new automatic refiling process for those who have reached the benefit year end and did not earn enough wages in the last 18 months. Now, other than the UI Online account homepage, there were no other changes made to the website. So for those of you who went into Certify, like seen here, it reverted back to the old website design, as well as other parts of the website, such as the payment history and contact pages. It is not clear why the homepage was updated in the first place, and it is definitely not an upgrade. As of this video, the EDD has not released a statement about this. One item that was reported by claimants during this last certification was a longer than usual wait time in those payments switching from pending to paid. Now, this applies to those who did not have a history of pending payments and did not have any at the time of their last certification. It was reported it took several additional hours before those payment statuses finally changed to paid. Over the past week, we finally saw noticeable progress when it comes to pending payments finally being pushed through to paid, and it was probably the most progress seen in some time based off of claimant feedback. Now, the success has fallen into several different categories based off what was causing the pending issue in the first place. Claimants with stop payment alerts were resolved by contacting the EDD or reaching out to one's state assembly member's office for assistance. In a number of cases, the EDD representative was unable to even tell the claimant why the stop payment alert was put on there in the first place, but did end up removing it and getting those payments pushed through. The second was identity verification, which applied to people who were not able to file online and instead filed over the phone, by fax, or mail. They were able to provide the necessary documents to the EDD's Identity Verification Department and then were able to resume receiving those payments. Third was those who reached their benefit year end and filed for a new claim. This, on a number of occasions, seemed to be the situation where pending payments were switched to paid automatically and did not require a call to the EDD or reaching out to the state assembly member or state senator's office for assistance. Now, the biggest issue that is going to take time in resolving when it comes to pending payments is when a phone interview is needed with the EDD. There has not been a clear reason on why certain claims are being required to take part in this. Obviously, it would be impossible for every claim to go through an interview. The latest information from EDD representatives on this is that there is a 9-week wait time to receive an interview. The additional ongoing problem with that is claimants are not being told in the first place that an interview is needed. So unless you reach out to the EDD, you may not even know that this is required for your claim. And the second cause would be for those of you who have filed for an appeal due to a disqualification. The appeals process is taking additional time as well. For those of you waiting on those tax refunds due to the new unemployment tax exemption, those now have started reaching bank accounts. The refunds have been averaging between $500 and $1,500. So if you have a deposit in your account with the banking code IRS Treasury 310 tax refund, like seen here, then that is that unemployment tax refund. In the meantime, we will keep monitoring for any new EDD developments. So make sure to click on that subscribe button below for future updates on this channel, and thanks for watching.